Fun science facts for kids. Let's get started. Hello, young scientists. Today we're diving into some of the coolest, wackiest, and most mind-blowing science facts ever. Are you ready? Let's go. Did you know the sun is huge? That's right. The sun is so gigantic that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. If Earth was a tiny marble, the sun would be a gigantic beach ball. That's a lot of space. What if I told you your footprints on the moon could last forever? It's true! Since there's no wind or rain on the moon, if an astronaut leaves a footprint, it stays there for millions of years. Talk about leaving a mark. Did you know you're spinning super fast right now? Even though we don't feel it, Earth is spinning at about 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. But don't worry, we're all spinning together. Have you ever seen a full circle rainbow? Rainbows aren't just half circles, they're actually full circles. We just can't see the whole thing from the ground, but pilots and airplanes sometimes can. So cool. What if I told you water can boil and freeze at the same time? Sounds impossible, right? But it's true. Under the right conditions, water can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas all at once. Scientists call it the triple point. Here's something wild. Bananas are slightly radioactive. Yep, you heard that right. Bananas contain potassium-40, a tiny bit of natural radiation. But don't worry, you'd have to eat thousands of bananas at once for it to matter. Did you know lightning is hotter than the sun? A single bolt of lightning can be 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. That's over 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Zap! That's some serious energy. What if I told you honey never goes bad? It's true! Archaeologists once found 3,000-year-old honey in an ancient tomb. And guess what? It was still good to eat. Honey is nature's perfect food. Want to make your own volcano? You can create your own volcano using just baking soda and vinegar. Mix them together and watch it erupt just like a real volcano. Without the lava, of course. Octopuses are amazing. Did you know they have 3 hearts? And guess what? Their blood is blue instead of red. When they swim, one of their hearts even stops beating to save energy. Now that's a cool trick. Butterflies don't taste with their mouths. They taste with their feet. That's right. When a butterfly lands on a flower, it can tell if it's tasty just by standing on it. Imagine if we could taste our food with our toes. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks have been swimming in Earth's oceans for 400 million years, which means they existed before trees even appeared. Talk about ancient predators. The wood frog can freeze solid and come back to life. It sounds like magic, but it's true. The wood frog makes its own antifreeze, allowing it to freeze completely in winter and thaw back to life in the spring. Its heart stops beating and its body becomes like an ice cube, but when the snow melts, so does the frog. Good as new. Nature is incredible. Did you know there's a jellyfish that can live forever? Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, the only creature that can keep turning back into a baby jellyfish. It's basically immortal. Sound moves faster in water than in air. That's why whales and dolphins can talk to each other over long distances. In water, sound travels 4 times faster than it does in air. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. Light zooms through space at 186,000 miles per second. That means sunlight takes just 8 minutes to travel 93 million miles to reach Earth. Wow! Did you know magnets work in space? Even without gravity, magnets still attract metal. That's why astronauts use them to keep tools from floating away. If you travel at light speed, time slows down. It's true! If you zoomed through space at the speed of light, time would move slower for you than for people on Earth. Space-time is amazing! Want to see something cool? A feather and a hammer fall at the same speed on the moon. On Earth, the feather falls slower because of air resistance. But on the moon, where there's no air, they fall at the same speed. Astronauts even tested it. On August 2nd, 1971, while on the moon, it was tested. Check it out.
Well, in my left hand, I have a feather. In my right hand, a hammer. And I guess one of the reasons we got here today was because of a gentleman named Galileo a long time ago who made a rather significant discovery about falling objects in gravity fields. And we thought that where would be a better place to confirm his findings than on the moon. And so we thought we'd try it here for you. The feather happens to be appropriately a falcon feather for our falcon. And I'll drop the two of them here, and hopefully they'll hit the ground at the same time. How about that?
Science is amazing! Which fact was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome science adventures. See you next time!